Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I reprogram my key fob after replacing my battery? How to program a key fob. Replace the batteries inside the key fobs. Get inside the car. Turn on the ignition. Press the lock button on the remote key. Listen for a lock sound. Programming additional remotes. Turn off the ignition. Step out from your car and test the result. Can you reprogram a used BMW key fob to a different car? You could reprogram a key fob to a different vehicle as long as the key is the same for the vehicle. Remove the battery cables from the vehicle, wait 30 seconds, then hook them back up, reset computer. Put the key in the ignition and turn the key to the on position. Turn the key to the off position.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.